What's going on, guys? Ben Wilson with Beardbrand Alliance, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about how I maintain my stubble beard. Yeah, so how do I do it? I literally do nothing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Just kidding. I really don't do too much, honestly. And that's the big attraction towards growing a stubble beard. You don't have to do that much to maintain it. I've been growing this one for 13 days now. So I really haven't done much except clean up the edges a little bit with my razor. I'm gonna do that a little bit here now. And then also, yeah, I mean, that's really it. That's really all I've done. As far as using beard wash or the beard softener, I don't use beard wash. I still use my regular face wash, still, because there's a lot of my skin still exposed with the stubble. So I just continue to use my regular face wash. It's starting to get a little itchier now. So since it's getting a little itchy, I'm gonna start using beard softener. That'll help to just soften my beard, won't really irritate my skin that much. And I'll also start using some beard oil, again, to also just help with the conditioning of the beard. But I'm gonna take you through what I do to maintain it. All right, here we go. Okay, first off, I'm gonna start off by using these tweezers. There's a video I've done before in the past about all the benefits of using tweezers. So what I'm gonna do is just clean up around my lip and take care of some of the stray hairs. So see, like how I have these here, right there, and some more over there. So I'll just take care of these quick. I'm gonna use the clippers to take care of my lip here. With it being so short, you could also use a razor. It's whatever is gonna get the job done. Next, to clean up my cheeks, I could use the clippers, but I want to get a little bit closer. So I'm going to use a razor. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of the this utility bar here, some of the lather from there. I'm going to rub it along the edges here, and then I'm just going to use my razor and slowly clean up my cheeks. So not much. Just a little bit like that. Quickly dry off my hands. And then, so the key with this is to start pretty high. And then slowly work your way down towards your beard. Not really going for a sharp edge just yet. You can see the lather dried up on that side, so I have to reapply. And so for me, just how quickly my hair grows, I only have to do this whole process, I don't know, maybe like once or twice a week. All right, so next I'm going to use some beard oil. I'm all done. I did my neck earlier, so I'm not gonna go over that. But I'm just gonna apply a little bit of beard oil. Just as you can see, it's not that much. That's 2 drops. That's gonna help soften up my beard. Okay, here's a look at the final product. I didn't really do, like I said, it's not that much of a drastic difference. It was just a basic cleanup. The beard oil really helps to soften the beard. My face isn't as itchy when I use it. But again, this is about 2 weeks worth of growth. If it's shorter than that, I wouldn't suggest using the beard oil just yet. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about anything I spoke about today, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, stay safe, and I'll see you then.
Hey, I'm Mark. I think that Beardbrand products and the Beardbrand mission, they've really helped me kind of wear my beard and present it to the world in a way that, honestly, for the first time in my life, like, kind of makes me feel kind of handsome. You know, sometimes. But anyway, thanks guys.